I am here with something interesting for you, and we will deep dive later. First, watch it.
The rising global temperature is an existential threat to our communities. We must act now before it is too late.
So, after listening to this, let's have a deep dive into the real story.
The phenomenon of rising global temperatures has its origins in the Industrial Revolution, which began in the 18th century when coal became a predominant energy source for manufacturing processes and transportation. This shift significantly increased carbon dioxide emissions into the atmosphere, leading to an observable warming trend that accelerated during the latter half of the 20th century. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, reports indicate an average increase in global temperatures of about 1 degree C compared to pre-industrial levels, with projections suggesting a potential rise of up to 4 degrees C by mid-century if no mitigation efforts are implemented. Major turning points include the signing of the Paris Agreement in 2015, which committed nations to limit warming below 2 degrees C, and preferably 1.5 degrees C above pre-industrial levels. This landmark agreement aimed for carbon neutrality by 2050 through a transition towards renewable energy sources and increased efficiency in energy use. Measurable impacts on societies include an estimated increase of up to 3 feet in global sea level rise, resulting in coastal flooding affecting millions of people. In terms of economic consequences, the United Nations Environment Programme projects annual damages from climate change could reach $50 billion by 2030, with costs potentially escalating as high as $140 billion annually by 2050. The agriculture sector is particularly vulnerable, facing reduced yields and shifting growing seasons due to altered precipitation patterns and temperature increases. On the other hand, advancements in renewable energy technologies have created jobs in clean tech sectors at a rate of about 3–4% per year since 2010. Long-term projections suggest that by 2050, global temperatures could rise between 3 degrees C and 6 degrees C above pre-industrial levels, with implications such as widespread food insecurity due to decreased agricultural productivity in many regions. Additionally, the World Health Organization predicts up to 1 million additional deaths annually from malnutrition, malaria, diarrhea, and heat stress by that time. However, if significant reductions in greenhouse gas emissions are achieved through international cooperation and technological innovations, these dire predictions can be avoided or mitigated. Optimizations for addressing climate change include accelerating investment in renewable energy infrastructure, enhancing carbon capture technologies, and expanding reforestation efforts to enhance natural carbon sinks. Implementing sustainable urban planning and transportation systems also play crucial roles in reducing overall emissions while improving public health outcomes. Further research into climate resilience strategies is essential as global temperatures continue to rise, ensuring that communities are better prepared for the challenges ahead.